call it gold, some call it failure, but dust is only dust, and pride is only another kind of chain. If you climb too high, you crush the roots. If you crawl too low, you crush yourself. The middle is a lantern burning quietly, lighting a path no map can hold. Do not waste your hours on shadows. If you crawl too low, you crush yourself. The middle is a lantern burning quietly, lighting a path no map can hold. Do not waste your hours on shadows. Do not measure your soul by another's breath. All things break, all things dissolve. The body is a borrowed robe. Peace is lighter than every jewel, and silence is heavier than every crown. The day will come when you leave this room forever. Your name, your wealth, your children, your grief.